Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an interesting challenge. I will be going around the city and buying things to show you how much I spent in a day in Budapest. Transportation system is developed and cheap in Budapest. You can usually buy tickets, single ticket for 450 forint in such machines, which you can find everywhere. Talking about student pass, monthly student pass is 950 forints. I travel a lot and I usually get airport shuttle, it's 2200. I get my groceries from supermarkets, and most famous ones are Aldi and Tesco. I got here some salad, cheese, bread, some fruits, and I will eat it approximately 2-3 days. It cost me 5,400. It's more expensive to travel by taxi, and here 5 minutes trip from the city center to my home cost me 4,300 forints. Also, you can take trams, and Budapest is quite famous for its cute and nice trams. Another means of transport is metro, and metro is not super big, but still it is enough to take you to all corners of the city. You can use the same ticket for bus and tram here. Metro is quite nice and clean. It's not crowded even in rush hours. Budapest has several big shopping malls, and you can find all international brands there. I didn't buy any clothes, but I couldn't help myself from getting a piece of cake. I have decided not to buy paper books anymore. I have a video about that, you can watch it, but here I show you how much it will cost you if you buy a book in Budapest. Of course, spending preferences are super different from person to person, but I am doing it just to show you the general idea and the approximate prices in the city. I haven't been drinking coffee for 6 months. I stopped in October, but today I will get 1 cup of coffee for you to show you how much it costs in Budapest. I got a cup of cappuccino and it cost me 885. Of course, if you buy it not from local coffee shop but Starbucks, it can be more expensive. I recently finished my perfume, so I decided to go and get new perfume also, and all international brands are available in Hungary, and they are even cheaper than in Western Europe. I spent approximately 18,000 forints on this Landlong perfume. Budapest has a lot of nice and cozy cafes, and I really like to spend time there to have lunch or dinner. I got strawberry lemonade, I got pea soup, and I asked for salad. Actually, I wanted my salad with shrimps, but I don't know, they didn't understand me very well, so I got this boiled salad, you can see it here. And for this lunch I paid 7,000 forint. Another interesting fact about Budapest is that they have a big culture of markets. You can see here one of the biggest markets in the city center, and you can find everything there, especially fresh fruits and vegetables. Sometimes I like to study in cafes, but I get tea instead of coffee. I really hope that you like these new types of video in my channel. Thank you so much for your likes and support, and see you in my next videos.